In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with GoHighLevel. By the end, your appointments will sync smoothly so your team and clients always see accurate availability without double booking. Start inside your GoHighLevel account on the location you want to connect. From the main dashboard, look for the gear icon in the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where you manage all the behind-the-scenes configuration. If you don't see what I'm showing, make sure you have the right permissions for that location, as calendar connections are typically a location level setting. Once Settings is open, head to the Calendar section. Think of this area as the command center for your scheduling system. It's where booking calendars live and where you control how appointments flow in and out of the platform. We're going to connect Google here, so events sync in real time. Inside Calendars, navigate to the Connections area. Connections is specifically for linking external calendar providers. It's separate from your individual booking calendars because it handles the account-to-account handshake between GoHighLevel and Google. Choose Add New to start a fresh connection. This opens a list of supported providers. If you previously connected accounts, you'll see them listed here. New connections appear alongside them once they're authorized. From the list, select Google Calendar and click Connect. You'll be taken through Google's authorization flow. Pick the correct Google account, personal or workspace, and review the permissions. GoHighLevel needs access to view and manage events so it can block off busy times, create appointments, and prevent conflicts. Approve the prompts to continue. If your organization restricts app access, your admin may need to allow it first. After you approve, you'll be brought back to GoHighLevel, and you should see your Google Calendar marked as connected. A few quick tips to keep things running smoothly. Make sure you choose the Google account that actually holds your availability. Mixing accounts is a common cause of empty or overlapping schedules. Confirm your time zone in GoHighLevel matches your Google account, so booking times line up for you and your clients. If pop-up blockers prevent the Google sign-in from opening, temporarily allow pop-ups for this step and try again. And if you use multi-factor authentication, have your device ready to complete the sign-in promptly. That's it. Open Settings, go to Calendars, switch to Connections, add a new connection, and connect Google Calendar. With the connection active, your scheduling inside GoHighLevel can reflect your true availability from Google, helping you stay organized and book with confidence.